This is Kitty. Kitty is an 8-year-old neutered cream tabby. He was brought to the Humane Society because someone in his previous home became allergic to him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, would do best in a home that is dog and kid free. If you want to meet Kitty, come down to Kitty City. This is Linus. Linus is a 7-year-old neutered orange tabby. Linus was brought to the Humane Society because someone in his previous family became allergic to him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with dogs. If you want to meet Linus, come down to Kitty City. This is Gray. Gray is a 2-year-old neutered domestic medium hair. He was brought to the Humane Society because he and another pet in the home were not getting along. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and would do best in a home that's dog free. If you want to meet Gray, come down to Kitty City. This is Shasta. Shasta is a 3-year-old spayed domestic shorthair. Shasta was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family moved and could not take her along. She is litter box trained, she's good with cats and good with kids. She's a very playful girl who enjoys meeting new people. If you want to meet Shasta, come down to Kitty City. This is Scooter. Scooter is a 1.5-year-old neutered orange tabby. Scooter was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family could no longer care for him. He is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. He can be a little shy at first, but he warms up quickly. If you want to meet Scooter, come down to Kitty City.